Hi, this is Karen from Midwest Remodeling, and we're back here in the Hasenmyer house. I'm so excited to show it to you. Since they've moved in and gotten everything put together, I'm telling you, this homeowner knows how to decorate. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I don't know if you remember, but you can check out our other videos. We took down walls in here. We completely changed the space. We've got beautiful new floors. We painted the new spaces. If you follow me this way, I'll show you. See how this is a great room? Well, there was a wall right here that totally closed off the living room from the kitchen and dining spaces. We were able to merge those together and create an amazing great room space that really functions perfectly for this family of four. As you can see, we've got oodles of seating at the island and a huge island that just keeps going. It's absolutely beautiful. The homeowner picked out some absolutely gorgeous lights here for over the island, but because beautiful lighting rarely supplies an actual good amount of light, we put in recessed lighting throughout to really make sure that this is a bright space to work in. We've got a beautiful hood with slide-in range. We did two-tone cabinetry here, so the island is a gorgeous pecan color on oak, which really has an amazing grain and a beautiful finish. And then the wall cabinets are painted. They're a slight off-white just to keep things from being too cool. This really warms up a white cabinet by going just slightly off-white. Of course, we built in the fridge, and it's completely surrounded by cabinetry, so it just really has a built-in look. This is the dining space. Now, the homeowner wanted to be able to use these spaces really fluidly. So if they wanted to have the dining room table in front of a window over here, later on they could do that. So for that reason, we put in recessed lighting instead of doing a chandelier over the table, so that it just allows them to kind of adjust the area for their needs. If you want to move the table for a big holiday celebration, there's not going to be a chandelier knocking somebody on the head because there's suddenly not a table there. So it leaves a lot of options for homeowners. This living room space already had the gorgeous fireplace and these amazing windows, but now they're open to the entire space. Last but not least, what other should we do than, cut a hole in the side of the house? So we put in this great slider, which will allow the homeowner access to a patio space out here that originally you had to go all the way out and around to get to. And they can do their grilling outside. It's very close and convenient to the kitchen, so they can come and go very easily. All in all, I am so happy with this project. It just turned out beautifully. And this is how we take a 1960-something brick ranch and turn it into a modern, open floor plan, gorgeous home. I can't wait to do the same for you, so give us a call. See you soon.